My name's Ryan Fawcett, and I ride for Mortal Bikes, and this is my bike check. So to start out with, we'll start with the frame. So my frame is a Verde Vex. We'll go to front tire. So on the front we have a stolen rim with you got a United Direct. It's pretty worn down. Still riding it. I mean, got a small little pinhole in it, but it's done me pretty long, pretty good. Two Colony Anyway pegs on my left side, and on my right side I have some Colt pegs. My forks are Verde Regent forks in black. I have a Primo headset in oil slick. My stem is a Colony official front load stem in oil slick. I have Colt AK bars in 9-inch rise. My grips, I can't remember what the grips. Yeah, they're the S&M Becerra. I had some Odyssey ones on. Not these bars, but my other bars that I traded, I had some Odyssey ones, and they tore apart really quick. I'm liking the way S&M feels. My cranks, I have stolen mob cranks. My pedals are cranks, they're stolen mob cranks. My pedals are Odyssey Twisted PCs. One of them's clear. I guess it was painted black for some reason. And then this one is just black. I have a Colony 25 tooth sprocket and jet fuel, or oil slick as the United States says. I have the Shadow Conspiracy Interlock V2 chain half link in black and silver. I have a Colony bottom bracket, which you can't really see, but the black Colony bottom bracket. I have a Colony oil slick seat post. I have a Verde seat. It's got like a little bunny on it. I like it. It's probably my like traditional frame, or my traditional seat. It's gonna be on like every single bike that I ride. So I have a Mission rim and hub, and a duo tire on the back. And that's my bike. Oh, and by the way, I just like twisted my ankle pretty bad. Sprained it a little bit ago, doing an Oppo 180.
I don't know, man. When I was
Okay, man.